done mines and caves before, but my entry was not graceful at all into here. Instantly we've got documents. Armoured glass retail distribution. Huh? Armoured glass retail distribution, it's in Chinese. It's Chinese there. Weird documentation. It's people's names, so I'm not going to read through all of them and show everybody, but welcome to the council offices. Christmas with Nat and Dean. Caution laser beam. Now you've got me interested. What was in... oh. It's the server room. I don't think there's many opportunities for people to get into this building because it's slippy walking on these. Because I don't think it's been long abandoned. I don't remember pictures with it being boarded up. So that's certainly new to me, I think. But considering how good a nick it is, I think they're trying to turn it into flats. With the surrounding car park into houses. Oh, it's pizza nice. Worried then. It's just a load of kids' toys. Doll houses and things. That's a bit weird. All brand new as well. Like loads of them, they were stacking them. Was this like for the council to give out to nurseries and stuff? I don't know. It's a bit weird, that. Oh, rocking horse. Have a little ride on the rocking horse. Oh. Oh, it's one of those that moves. I thought I broke it then. Moves its wheels forwards and backwards. Anything in there? Oh. That mug isn't really safe for work anymore. I'm not going to point out which one it is. If you can see it, you can see it. Well, there is a vine growing in here, so it might be abandoned for longer than I thought. I just will make my way upstairs. There'll be a bit more light up here. No boarded windows. Okay. You know what? I'm going to go straight to the top. Oh. Little cubby. Oh, not enough room in my bag. Toilet. kitchen's a bit good. Oh, bit of a blockage. Conduit in my way. I'm slowly getting used to the whole cities and police sirens, but I'm still not fully used to it because, like, my entrance was not grateful. Loads of people could have seen it. Maybe not loads, but certainly the people with the houses back up to it. There's emergency fire staircase. What a random bunch of crap in this room. Hello, Wigan. Down we go, I suppose. Oh. Oh wow, there's loads of cuddly toys and things in here. So weird. It's the only thing that's stacked and kept in here. Well, mugs. And beans. The old beans. Oh. Got the prompt. Asda. Are these all from Asda? Is that what that's saying? It's the Christmas room. What? Cards. Happy birthday cards, what? I don't know, it's so weird. Fire staircase is cool. There's brief access, and someone's done it. But no. If there was a ladder, I'd do it. But there ain't, so I'm not. Now, there is always something I've wanted to do. I didn't clock that. Phone cases. Lots and lots of phone cases. What company was, like, storing stuff in here? Random is... Oh! Look. I was right, so that one's gone to the NHS. Huh. So maybe it was council stuff. Redistributing goods. It's nice. I can tell you I'm not looking forward to getting out of here. Oh dear.